In this video, I want to talk about the general theme of your life and how that can tie into your purpose. And at the end, I'll give you some questions for you to think about so that you can understand how you do things within your life a little bit better so that you can leverage those and live a better life. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So when we're talking about purpose and your life's theme, there's a lot to think about. And I was talking to a client today, and we got thinking about what is the meaning of all this? Like, why do I do the things that I do? Why does he do the things he does? And I got talking about my struggles, my issues that I've had in the past, and that underlying theme of I always want to be better. Well, what is that though? What is better? And so for me to clarify it, I dug a little bit deeper and said I wanted to be a good person. I've always wanted to be a good person. And part of that because I'm an INFP, I see these deep, emotional, kind of scary places that I can go. And I can see that those are a part of me. Those are within me. And because they're within me, there's always the possibility that, I don't want to say they'll escape, but they might come out. They might come out at certain times. And those are also things that I need to work with myself and build better rapport with these parts, these aspects, these characters within me. Because if I don't do that, then when it does come out, if it does come out, it could hurt somebody. It could hurt myself. It could hurt my family. If you're not an INFP, I might have just scared you off a little bit. But if you are, I think you'll understand what I'm talking about when I talk about just this ability to go deep within yourself and find these places that are kind of worrisome. What if I did that? What if I did that bad thing? What if I jumped in front of the train? Or what if this happens? And it's easier to kind of focus on those darker spots. And so my goal has always been to improve myself, to better myself, to make myself as good of a person as I can through understanding myself, through understanding who I am and what I'm doing. And so I'm wondering, what is your underlying theme that ties into your purpose? Think back to maybe 5 different aspects, 5 different experiences of your life, and say, what is the theme that connects all of these? Is it adventure? Is it excitement? Is it being a better person? Is it power? Is it gaining power? Is it stopping other people from having power over you? Is it social affluence? Is it, being better at creating groups of people around you? Or is it not losing your position within a group? Is it mastery? Is it, improving yourself, your skill set? Or not losing because of something that you could have done? There's tons of different ways of looking at it. But if you kind of think about those main domains of power, people, and let's call it mastery, and then towards and away from, right? And how much of it do you want? How much are you trying to stop others from having or people taking away from you? I might give you some insights into the themes of your life. And why is that important? Well, the more you know about why you do the things you do, the better able you are to leverage those. And the more leverage you have over your own personal behaviors and your experiences, your thought patterns, the way you interact with reality, the feelings, the thoughts, the states that come out, well, then the more able you are to make an impact in the world, to live a better life, to do the things that you want to do. right? To have a better relationship because you've improved yourself, to play life better. If you're interested in more videos like this about purpose, you can check them out over there. And please let me know down below in the comments what helped you, what you got thinking about in your brains right now. And keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.